Stop struggling with subtraction. Learn the easy trick that helps you solve 732 minus 268 in seconds. Let's get started. Please stick to the end to get best out of it.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, Concept Simplified. Today, let's look at easy way to subtract number, especially a number that have lower value up and higher value down. Let's say for instance we have this 9, 5, 3. Take away 4, 3, 8. So the only problem we have with this one is this 3. Because this 3 is less than 8. So it's going to be very difficult to take 8 away from 3. But what you need to do is this. Move 1 from the next one here. As soon as you move 1 here, this becomes 13. And this reduces to 4. Okay? So 13 is now higher than 8. So 13 take away 8. That gives you 5. This one remains 4. 4 take away 3. That remains 1. And this one remains 9 as it is. 9 take away 4. That remains 5. So that's the final answer on this. So whenever you are given a problem this way, take away and add to it. As simple as that. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, let's take another one. We have 7, 4, 2. Take away 3, 5, 6. Wow, you look at this. These two numbers are far less than the value they have to take away from. So you borrow 1 from here. This becomes 14 and this reduces to 6. Move 1 from this 14, take it here. This becomes 12 and this reduces to 13. So 12 take away 6, that's 6. 13 take away 5, that's 8. 6 take away 3, that's 3. That's the final answer. Please like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you next. So finally on this note, let's take another one this way. We have 8, 1, 2. Take away 5, 6, 5. Now the problem is this and this. Take 1 from here. This becomes 11. Move 1 from this place. This becomes 12 and this reduces to 10. Okay? And this reduces to 7. Take note. So now 12 take away 5, that gives us 7. 10 take away 6, that gives us 4. And 7 take away 5, that gives us 2. As simple as that. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you next.